How to change your email on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your email easily and fast on Snapchat. So first thing you have to do, go to Snapchat. Now let's go to the home page. Now this is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. After you click on your profile picture, it will take you to this page. Now click here on this wheel right here. And now you will find many options here and click on the email option and you can change it from here as you can see. And after you finish, click save. It's very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.